In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make a purchase on DHgate, a popular e-commerce platform where you can find a wide range of products from wholesale suppliers. To kick things off, you'll need to get started by going to DHgate's website. This is the first step you'll want to take before diving into the exciting world of online shopping. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the DHgate URL. It's a simple and straightforward way to begin your online shopping experience. Once you're on the DHgate homepage, take a moment to explore the vast array of categories available. Whether you're searching for electronics, clothing, or other goods, DHgate has a variety of options to choose from. This step involves browsing through their extensive catalog to find the product that suits your needs. To make this easier, you can use the search bar, which is usually prominently displayed at the top of the page. Just type in what you're looking for and hit enter. This will guide you to relevant products, making your shopping experience both efficient and enjoyable. Now that you've found an item that piques your interest, click on it to view more details. On this page, you'll find important information about the product, such as specifications, pricing, and shipping details. These details can help inform your purchasing decision, ensuring that the product meets your satisfaction before you proceed. It's always good to look at customer reviews and seller ratings too. These can provide valuable insights from other buyers who have previously purchased the same item. After reviewing the product and you're satisfied with it, it's time to add it to your cart. Most e-commerce sites feature an easy-to-find Add to Cart button, typically located near the pricing information. Click this button to proceed with your purchase. Next, navigate to the Checkout page. Here you'll find various payment methods available for your convenience. It's crucial to review these options carefully and select the one that best fits your preferences. Make sure you have your payment details on hand, such as your credit card or PayPal account information, to ensure a smooth and efficient checkout process. Once you've selected your payment method and entered your details, confirm your order. This is the final step in making your purchase on DHgate. It's a good idea to double-check your order summary, which includes shipping details, the item you're purchasing, and the total amount you will be charged. After verifying all the information is correct, click the confirmation button. And that's it, you're done. At this point, you've successfully navigated DHgate and completed your purchase. All that's left is to wait for your order to arrive, and you'll be ready to enjoy your new product. So that's all you need to know about how to browse and buy from DHgate. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping.